Unlocking the Mucuna magic, from bean to brain power. Feeling like your brain is stuck in low gear? Energy levels fading faster than a sunset? Mood drooping like a wilting flower? Fear not, weary wanderers. Today we're venturing into the botanical realm with a potent natural ally. Mucuna pruriens, the velvet bean. This intriguing legume doesn't just tickle your senses with its fuzzy exterior. It promises to boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and elevate your mood. All without the harsh side effects of common stimulants. But is it magical bean or botanical bluff? Let's delve into the fascinating world of Mucuna pruriens and see if it can truly transform you from a foggy wanderer to a radiant beacon of energy and brain power. Before we unlock the secrets of Mucuna pruriens, let's give a big high five to our amazing subscribers. Your support fuels my mission to empower you with all the natural health, no matter the mental fog you're facing. So, if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and join the brain-boosting squad. The Mucuna Enigma, nature's neurochemical powerhouse. Mucuna pruriens, folks, isn't just a fancy name for a fuzzy bean. It's a plant native to India and Africa, used for centuries in traditional medicine. But its true power lies within its unique chemical signature. Mucuna pruriens is loaded with levodopa, the precursor to dopamine, a neurotransmitter crucial for mood, motivation, and focus. Think of it as fertilizer for your brain's happiness garden, promoting the growth of feel-good chemicals and keeping your internal sunshine blooming. The energy and mood elixir? Now, the claims surrounding Mucuna pruriens are bold enough to rival a Bollywood hero. Increased energy levels, improved focus and concentration, enhanced mood and motivation. Even potential benefits for conditions like Parkinson's disease and depression. But does science agree? Well, research is still exploring the jungle of benefits. But studies show promising results in Mucuna pruriens' effectiveness in boosting energy, improving cognitive function, and enhancing mood. However, it's not a magic bean granting instant brain power and boundless energy. Think of it as a supportive teammate, not a solo super serum. Remember, a healthy diet, regular exercise, and good sleep are still the cornerstones of optimal brain health and well-being. Beyond the bean, what you need to know. Hold on, botanical explorers. Before you embark on your Mucuna pruriens quest, remember this. Consult your doctor. Mucuna pruriens can interact with medications and have side effects for certain individuals. Stick to recommended dosages, and don't expect an overnight brain transformation. Mucuna pruriens can be a helpful tool, but it's part of a bigger picture. Mucuna hacks and fun facts. Ready to boost your Mucuna pruriens naturally? Snack on fava beans and lentils. They're naturally rich in L-dopa. Plus, fun fact, Mucuna pruriens was traditionally used in Ayurveda to enhance memory and cognitive function. So, maybe give it a try before your next big presentation or exam. Risks and alternatives. Now, it's important to acknowledge some potential risks associated with Mucuna pruriens supplements. Individuals with certain medical conditions or taking specific medications should avoid it. Always prioritize safety and consult your doctor before trying any new supplement. Remember, exploring natural, non-supplement alternatives, like exercise, meditation, and good sleep habits. Individuals with high blood pressure or severe mental health conditions should be cautious and avoid it due to potential interactions with medications or worsening of symptoms. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also stay cautious due to limited research in these populations. There are several natural, non-supplement alternatives you can explore to boost your energy, mood, and brain power. Regular exercise. Physical activity is a proven mood booster and energy enhancer. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Balanced diet. Fuel your body with nutritious foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein in your meals. Manage stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your energy levels and mood. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to manage stress effectively. Quality sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for brain health and optimal functioning. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Nature therapy. Spending time in nature has been shown to improve mood, reduce stress, and boost energy. Take a walk in the park, hike in the woods, or simply sit by a window and soak up the sunshine. These natural approaches, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can be just as effective in promoting energy, focus, and well-being as supplements, without the potential risks. Remember, listen to your body, prioritize safety, and consult your healthcare professional before embarking on any new health journey. So, there you have it. Mucuna pruriens, a fascinating botanical wonder with promising potential to unlock your inner spark. Now, go forth and conquer your fatigue, brain fog, and low mood, one healthy step at a time. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more adventures in natural health and brain power.